Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today we have an unboxing from Speedcubeshop, and I'm not sure what's in here, but it came just before I was going to leave to Canadian Open, which is 2 days after today, but I'm leaving tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not sure what's in here, and let's open it up. And okay, I know what this is. Alright, so first off, we got stickers. Here's the Speedcubeshop logo, business card, and stickers. Basically, I just wanted to try out a bunch. So this is red, white, black, green, orange, yellow, pink, and blue. I tried the pink on this one, and it works pretty well. So yeah, I don't think I have time to resticker the puzzle though. But okay, let's get in. First one. This is the Moyu magnetic pyraminx. I wrote it in white because apparently that gets you better times. Not really, but yeah. Oh jeez. Well, the tips aren't a problem. The base is actually really well. I think the tensions are the ones that I like. They're supposed to be really tight. But I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be bringing it to Canadian Open just because it's not set up. This is the next puzzle. Oh yeah. I was really excited for this. Wow. Whoa. It feels so weird. It's so pillowed and stuff. This is the 5x5 mastermorphix from Shengxiao. I have the 2 to 4. The 4x4 one was really cool, but this one is just wow. And it turns amazing as well. It's very hard to know which is okay. Yeah, this turns really nice. I don't think I'll be bringing it to the competition as well, just because I don't really have that much space for cubes that I'm not competing with. The next puzzle. Oh, the Redi Cube. Okay, so I have tried one before. I tried Paradox's, Paradox cubing. I tried his at Newmarket, and yeah, this is really cool. Because I used to like speed solve like the Dino Cube, and this is basically that, but with corners. I still don't get why stickers are made like that. But okay, yeah, this doesn't turn that great right now, but that can be fixed. And yeah, this is just a very cool non-wca puzzle that I've wanted. And the last puzzle is the cubing classroom pyraminx. And this is because I wanted to compare it with the onion pyraminx. Okay. Okay, I'm not that impressed. Yeah, I think I have to loosen this a lot. There's a really strong click, but it's also really dry as well. The tips, I'll just remove some bearings if I can. There seems to be only one bearing. Okay, well, I'll set this up and see how it gets. but I'm sort of more excited for the other ones. I just got this so that I can, if I ever make a review, I can compare this because it's like the second newest ball bearing Pyraminx. And that is it from the package. I really wanted my Wushuang or my Wook M to come in time, but I guess not. But that's okay. So yeah, there's this cube, this thing, which I definitely need to solve before I leave. Well, the Redi Cube, which I also have to solve a bit. Is there a way to tension this or something? Okay, corner cuts, that's cool. And then this Pyraminx, not the biggest fan of, but I still wanted this in my collection. And yeah, that's it. There's also the stickers right here. So yeah, thanks for watching, and now I gotta start packing for Canadian Open, so that's kind of why I was rushing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.